Hey, I'll be doing a DIY cleaning of our rooftop AC unit. Regular cleaning is very important here in UAE because of dust, sand, and extreme temperature. Poor maintenance will quickly affect the cooling performance of our AC unit. This unit is MyDia 7.5 tons cooling capacity all-in-one system where the compressor, blower, evaporator, condenser are all housed in a single unit. Please watch this video to the end and I hope you learn something. So this is the location of condenser, the blower, evaporator is located behind the cover and the filter. Of course, for safety reason, before carrying out the cleaning works, you need to switch off the switch which is located behind the unit. Alright, so you just need to pull this down. It's already switched off. This is off, this is on. By removing the parts, you must be careful that you won't damage the blade of the condenser and the evaporator. All the screw you must be placed in one location in order not to misplace it. The cover of the evaporator is removed. Yeah, it's still in good condition. The cleaning is done using a moderate water pressure so that you won't damage the blade of the condenser as well as the blade of the evaporator. The cleaning is concentrated in four main areas. Number 1 is the condenser, number 2 evaporator, number 3 air filter, and number 4 is the CDP drain pipe. Each of these locations has its own frequency of cleaning. The condenser must be cleaned within 1 to 2 months. Evaporator must be cleaned within 3 to 6 months. Air filter, it must be cleaned within 1 to 2 weeks. And the CDP drain pipe must be checked and cleaned every time you are carrying out the cleaning works. Alright, I hope you have learned something on my video. See you next time. Thank you for watching.